ask Sage now to calculate the tables of truth. For that, let me tell you the notation that Sage uses for each of the connectors, and it's going to be the ampersand or the vertical bar and not the tilde. This is just like the same notation that we use for sets. For the conditional connector, this is going to be the notation in Sage, and for the biconditional, this one. Now, using these notations, we are going to use this syntax for producing tables of truth. So this usually will just copy and paste propcalc that formula, and so here we assign any variable, any letter you want, and calling f this one, and this is the statement of which I want the table of truth. In this case, it's going to be A and B. And so I ask for the table of truth, I run it, and here it is. This is the table of truth for that statement. And then you can put here a statement as complicated as you want. So just let's copy and paste this one, and let's change here for another statement. Let's write there instead, for instance, this statement. This will be A and B, or not C, for instance. And so let's run this statement, and here it is. This is a statement with three variables, right? A, B, and C. So that's why we have here more rows in this table of truth. Okay, so in that way you can put here statements as complicated as you want. So let me copy and paste once again. And so let's change here the statement. Let's put, for instance, a statement now that involves a biconditional. So here we have too many quotations here. So that will be not A and B if and only if not C or A. Let's see if it allows me to put just these quotations that I want. Okay, so now we got it. Let's run it. Okay, and this is the table of truth for this. And for any of these statements, we can also ask Sage, without not even doing the table of truth, we can ask if it's a tautology or not. In this case, we can see the value. We have already the table, for instance, for this one. We can see that it's not a tautology, right? But let's actually ask Sage to investigate that without calculating the table of truth. So we can just write the proposition and ask Sage if F is a tautology. I run it, the answer is false, it's not a tautology.